ngabe Makhumalo usaphila noma ke ushonile? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Itonga from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. Sunny 10 to an unlikely ally to save Makhumalo's life. A letter promises Lungelo a new future, but will he choose to ban it all on Tuesday? Sunny and Zama say have a standoff. Lungelo pushes back when Bali tried to help. On Wednesday, Zama discovers new enemies within the camp while Mbali does something no one thought she ever would, and Sanele gets some unexpected news on Thursday. Zama finally gets hold of Sibongile and makes her an offer she can't refuse. Amahle returns and interferes with Ayanda and Lungelo's plans on Friday. Sanele faces the crushing reality of Pablo's power and reach. Lungelo struggled to resist Amahle as Amahle suspicious eye turns to Ayanda's direction. Zama risk everything to secure Pablo's freedom. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.